Things we need: pencil, eraser, scale, and any pen. Here I am ready with two squares of 4 by 4 centimeter. So today we are going to do stippling. Generally we hold our pen like this, slant one, while writing or drawing something. But while doing stippling, we have to hold pen straight 90 degree and have to do tick tack tick on paper. So here I am showing you in one portion. Just hold a pen and tap on a paper. So be clear, don't have to do like this. We don't have to form circles, no. Just hold pen and tap on a paper. So here I am ready with 10 by 10 centimeter square. Draw some abstract forms. Divide square with two parts with any straight line or wavy line. Now be ready with pen. So first we are going to cover this portion of square. We have to do stippling within the forms. Like this, you don't have to cover first border and then form area with stippling portion. No, don't restrict yourself. Just go with flow. That's what doodling is for. Go with flow. So now coming to next part of square. Here we have to do inverse. Yes, right. In this part we are going to cover outer area of forms with stippling, unlike first part of our square. Let's cover it fully. Be as close as possible. Glad we don't need to follow social distancing here. And just put far away dots in pending portions. Let's erase pencil lines. Even draw forms like star, triangle, square, circle to create new designs. Next, draw one rectangle bar of 8 cm by 2 cm. Divide that into 4 parts. Let's mark numbers for better understanding. Here we are going to follow layer-based system. One layer of stippling in first box, two layers of stippling in second, 3 layers of stippling in third, 4 layers of stippling in last box. Here we can clearly see difference. Now we are going to use this. Draw one small circle. Here I marked how much layers of stippling have to fill in each area. Just follow marking and do stippling in layers. Erase markings. Doing shadow portion for more realistic effect, and it's done. Next and final art for today. Draw one circle. I'm drawing one mountain. One more mountain. And some clouds in upper part of that portion. And one small moon. Draw basic straight lines for trees. Do borderline with pen. I am using micro tip pen. You can also try it with gel pen or any normal pen. Here I am drawing small trees over here. It will give depth to artwork. So starting with clouds, do stippling dots closer in border area. And little less closer in inner portion. Have to follow same in other clouds, moon and trees. Now we are going to start with the mountain. So in mountains, one area is going to be a darker one and one lighter one. So this and this area of mountain is going to be a darker one because moonlight is falling on these areas of mountains. So these will obviously going to be a lighter one. For slopey fill, dot will be more closer in upper part of this portion. And when we are moving downwards, dots will be a little less closer to each other. Here I am marking in this side of mountain. Marking portion have to fill with little more closer dots compared to other dots in this portion. Have to follow same thing in next mountain. Now take pencil and give border line to each elements we have in a pending sky portion. And mark a circle around the moon. Full sky fill with dots as close as possible, leaving the outline area we just marked. Erase pencil marks and we are done.